Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And what I'm going to talk about with you guys today is the Dell Latitude 7214. What a cool little laptop. These are the best features that I've found in this laptop. Now, in Dell's tradition, it still has the same basic bezel color, as you can see. The handle. So the number one feature, let me start over. The number one feature on this unit that I like is the screen. It's got to be the coolest screen ever in that it spins around like this, and we can pop this screen down, and look, now I have a tablet. If you pop it back up, we can spin the screen back around, and look at that. Is that not the most unique feature that you've ever seen? Another nice feature on this laptop is the port covers. Now, port covers are kind of industry, the different manufacturers in the industry do differently. But with the Dell, what they've done is have these nice hinged doors, but if you guys could just feel this, is a nice neoprene foam seal, so that when you close this, it is sealing that with the dirt and the water, sealing it out. This happens to be the hard drive cover, port cover, and there's the hard drive right there. It's an M.2. But I love these port covers, and then you can lock them by simply moving it aside so they don't open if you need to keep them closed. This is where you would have your SD card slot and a USB port, and there's a number of ports on this unit, all the basic ports. This has plenty of USB ports. There is a serial port, there's your power port, and also on this side you have your HDMI, audio out, and another USB port. So the port covers are really nice. Now, here's another interesting thing about this laptop is it is touchscreen, obviously, and it does include a stylus. Now take a look at this. The stylus is got a built-in slot that it can slide into. This is rare on a fully rugged laptop. If you take a look at the size of this stylus. It's a very small stylus that fits very neatly in the side of the laptop like that. And it has a tether, and do you need the tether? You don't necessarily need it, but it certainly keeps the stylus with the laptop. And so I really like the stylus on this. It's not that big, fat, bulky pin stylus that a lot of these laptops come with. Another nice feature is the mouse pad. If you take a look at the mouse pad, it is very large, has two nice large buttons so that you can't miss it. You will be able to use this whenever you are using the laptop. Another nice feature on this, and a lot of these newer ruggedized laptops like Panasonic comes out with, or Getac, the Dell came out with, I think they were one of the first, came out with the privacy cover for the webcam. Take a look here, you can see the privacy cover that goes over that webcam. So you get privacy when you're not using the webcam. And another feature that is always interesting on Dell, they have this thing about really good handles. Take a look at this thing. The handle alone is a fully rugged handle. I mean, there's no break in this thing. It's going to hold up under any condition that you put it in. And what I like about the fully rugged Dells are these rubber bumpers that they put on the corners. I mean, how often do you drop it and it hits the corner and this would bounce? Other fully rugged like Toughbook or Getac, they don't have that kind of protection on their corners. And the odds of dropping it on the corner are the greatest if you've ever dropped your laptop. Well, those are the best features that I think are in this Dell Latitude fully rugged 7214. But hey, let me know if I missed anything or if there's things you like about it. I want to hear about it. Put it down in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos that come out. And I'll see you guys next week.